Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is a 30-minute bar chart of the S&P 500 futures. I've taken the gaps out of the chart by putting a .D after the symbol. You can do that with TradeStation, and you can just see the lines are as marked. We did go positive 2 days ago on the open, and you can see all the green. Once the bars push up above the green line that I've got drawn across, then the bar will turn green, and the same thing for once it goes below the red. It'll go from white to red, and just kind of pointing out a signal or directional change. So here we have a directional change short, and again, this is just 30-minute bar charts. There's directional change long. You can see the movement, and the momentum is to the upside. Looking for 1110 as a initial and or temporary short-term target. This will probably happen on the open. May even come in the night trading on Sunday afternoon. So anyway, looking for 1110 to be hit, and I do have one open contract left. So I had bought a bunch of them right on this bar here down at the bottom here. A smaller time frame, of course, but looking at 1110, and I did had 6 of them down here at that price, and am holding one of them till that somewhere in that target, if in fact we do get that, which I do expect it. So anyway, these are just the turning points here as I've got them marked. If we go back, you can see the previous ones and the downdraft there. This was the one before that up here, right in there, and before that was down here. You can see right in that area. Corresponding to that, the one before that is a gap down and just continued. There's the first red bar right there. There's that movement right there. So an awful lot of movement. These are 10 points, so there's like a ton of movement here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days here, but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 on the high, 10, 20, 30, 40 some odd on the to the low. I don't know, it's an awful lot, but I don't usually trade that way, but these were some of the short-term ones before that. That's about 15, 18 points right there, and another chunk. That one was going to the downside. We looked at that. This one here, this would probably, unless you took some profit on that bar or down in here before it came back up. One way to play this too is if it comes back up above the zero line, that can be your out. So on this bar, that can be your out, and you can do that on any of them going forward or backwards with stocks and or futures in any time frame. Now this here is the trending model that I use in the futures market for the S&P, but I've got different models for shorter term swings. So this is just the trending model, because not always is the market trending. Sometimes the market is trading in a small range, and so you have different settings and different parameters to take advantage of a situation where you'd be able to go all in and all out. This market was that big sell-off coming down from back in April. So some short-term swings in here. Move down, it's at least 10 points. Actually, these are 5. Well, from here, yeah, there's 10 there. There's not quite 10 points here before we turn. But you can just see a little choppy in here, but still, I mean, you'd probably and likely be trading on a smaller time frame. This was the big rally. These are continuation moves in here, and so on. So pretty good timing tool in any different time frames. I'm kind of showing you that here, and you can just kind of judge for yourself what you think of it. But on minute charts or 5-minute charts, works really well. Right now we're looking at the up move and this last move right here to 1110. So let me pause this. This here is the Dow Jones 30-minute bar chart. Same thing, similar signals, just showing you on a different index here. And this was a note that I made back then, and it came to right here. So anyway, you can just see the turns there. Thanks for tuning in.